Hello, Gail Sawchuk here with a video on how to set up a Facebook group for your Facebook parties. A few months ago, Facebook changed their programs and you can no longer use Visly, our automated posting program on events. So we've been doing parties in groups instead, and there's some benefits for doing it this way anyways. So you'll be on your Facebook page, make sure you're on your home so that your groups pop up. Go ahead and click on groups. You're going to create a new group. You name it something fun like Gail's Super Fun Holiday Book Party. Maybe not that long, but that'll work. And then you're going to have to add at least one person. I was told that you could put in your email to add yourself. I haven't been able to figure out how to, let's see if it lets that work. Go ahead and keep it as a closed group. That way you don't get random people asking to join. And then create. And the reason you want to pick yourself instead of your hostess is you want to make sure that you have it set up and ready to go before your hostess starts inviting people, but you also want to make sure that you are coaching her well before she starts inviting people. So go ahead and create it. Yeah, it's not letting me. So I'm gonna invite Carrie Walters to my party. Great. Now, if you have done the Canvas step and created a banner, then you're ready to go. You can go ahead and upload a photo here. Go to my documents, and I'm going to search for Emily. Emily's banner ready to go. And then you want to go to more and edit group settings. Hold on. Stay on this page. Make sure to save that or your cover photo won't save. More, edit group settings. I usually put in a description here. I'm gonna grab one from another party. I pulled one from another party, and here's some of the things that I like to include. Join us live with the date and the time of the party. Give them a little description. We'll be sharing our books, and they're wonderful for all these great reasons. We'll be doing a drawing for a free book. That it helps our hostess get books for their party. If they're a teacher, you might want to mention that it's getting books for their classroom, things like that. And then you will want to have the event code. So you're going to go to your e-commerce site and grab that event code and put that in as well. It might be helpful to have a document on the side where you put all this in so you don't need to go back and forth. Now the other important thing while you are in here is that you need to go down, let's see where it is, to add apps. If you're using Visly, you now need to give Visly permission to post into your groups. And I apologize that I am running a little bit slow. Let's see if this is going to work for us. So then you're going to search for Visly in here. There it was. And add that on. Done. All right, I've made all of my changes here. Ready to go. Down to the bottom and save. The next thing I like to do is go back to the discussion, and it will show that I have updated the description. If you click this little arrow here, you can mark it as an announcement, and then it will stay up at the top and people will find it easily. So your group is ready to go, and the next part we'll be going into Visly to make that happen. The other thing I like to do is once I've given my hostess instructions to add people to the group, they'll start popping up here. It'll tell you who the members are, and then it will say, so once you have some members join, I usually wait until there's a good amount, like 8 or 10. You can go over here and it'll tell you you have this many new members, and you can go to write post and it will automatically tag all of them. So I will put in welcome to the party. Please tell me your kiddos, your readers, the kids on your shopping list, ages, boy or girl, things they are interested in or like to learn about. And it will list all of the people that are new on there and tag them in it. And then I like to put in a cute, how old are your readers photo. And post that. So I like to do it that way to tag them and to get that up and running as soon as there's a good amount of people rather than having it scheduled just willy-nilly. So you can see in my current party, I have all the people tagged, and then they're starting to comment below with some information. And then what I've been doing recently is I'll give them a little bit of information about the wish list, and there's another video on how to create that here in the post in case other people are paying attention. But then I message them the wish list, and that way I've started a conversation with them, and if they accept that contact, then I have a good way to reach out to them as the party's going on and to follow up after the party. So hopefully that's helpful in how to get your group going, and make sure to watch the Visly video to find out more about how to schedule your posts.